Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a fun one. I finally got my Enduro tire shipped to me from the Float Life. We're gonna do a tire change. We're gonna change out of the original stock shredded tire and switch over to the Enduro. From what I've heard, it's one of the best upgrades you could do. And so let's get into it. First time doing a tire change. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the GT fender delete. Or fender rather. So I have this little utility tray, so I'm going to put all my screws in here to make things a bit easier. So this looks pretty good. This is after me coating my fender with Carnauba car wax. Okay, finally got the motor plug out. That was a bit of a pain, but it just needed to be shimmied out. Got a couple more. You can see why he tells you to use Loctite on these bad boys, because they can and will come loose. Okay, there it goes. Just pop right out. Okay, we're letting some air out of the tire. I don't know if you guys can hear it hissing, but okay, so valve stem core is out, and I want to make sure I got it facing the right way when I reinsert it. So it looks like this. All right, let's try it again. Oh, we did it. All right. Alright guys, since my pry tool's not working because it's a little bit too flexible and it has too much give, I'm going to try a butter knife and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser as a cushion against the rim. The butter knife up. Right here. Fold it in half. Oh. Ooh, guys, did it. Butter knife. Handle of a butter knife, still straight. I might have scraped the rim just a bit, but that's okay. I mean, it's the first time doing it, so. And so to get this out, that wasn't pretty, folks, but we got it. Oh my Lord, did y'all see that? Woo! Woo! Man, that was insane. He says to put the arrows up, and then the directions of the tire should go clockwise. Okay, let's do this.
Palm here right on the edge, and you'll push as you twist like this. So you push down with this hand, twist with that hand, and it'll just fall right in. Pretty easy. Now flip it over.
Oh my God, guys, I did it. Got this stupid tire on. Now I gotta install the second lifesaver. Okay, tires on and the lifesavers are on. Now I'm putting the stay afloat inside. I'm I'm going to use the entire bottle because why not? No need to be stingy on this. I just cut the tip and I'm just using the bottle directly in. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to my air compressor outside and pump it up to 16 psi and then put this board back together. Okay, we're right at 16. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the old rail guards, which are kind of falling off anyway, and put the new Tiffany camo on. Look how easy this is coming off. That's helpful for me though, so it's all good. Okay, just a bit of adhesive left over, so I'm going to use a bit of Goo Gone and get that off and then put my new rails on. I'll reveal the final product when we're all done here. Oh my gosh, there's like, it's not rubbing, but there's like no room to spare. Check it out. Is that normal? Probably not.